Good evening, sir.
Good evening, everyone. Children, good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, so today, as I told that,
Sir, you told you will do
Sir.
problems today.
Sir, today was science class, right? So
No. Science class is not that.
Sir, what will happen to the science class?
have they posted
Sir.
regarding science class?
Sir, I asked sir. He told no class, no science class today.
Whom did you ask, Manoj sir?
Yes, sir. If you want, I will show the message. He told no.
No. I'm just simply telling you whether whom did you ask.
Yes, sir. Manoj sir. Actually,
Okay.
today Hari Krishna sir should start the chemistry classes.
Okay.
So I asked him, today class is there or no? He told no.
So yesterday we have just gone through introduction. I mean, like a revision of linear equation in two variables, right?
yes,
Yes or no? How many have
Yes, sir.
revised that?
yes, sir.
Huh? Hello.
Yes, sir. We have.
Tell me how many have you done? What about others?
Sir, I did the revision, sir.
So today there is some SOP questions, SOF questions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, just have to.
So look at this. He has simple question given. Look at this.
Sir, where is the screen?
Oh, 1 second.
Just a part. I'm just giving you a laptop.
There's a doubt clarification.
No, it's like one is all the Olympiad.
Sir, when is the doubt clarification class then?
I'm solving the questions related to like Olympiad. I'm solving the Olympiad questions actually.
Yes, so when will you conduct the doubt clarification class?
Today we are having that. What kind of doubt you are having?
Sir, I posted in the Visa. So
Okay. We'll clarify that. 0.5, 7 lies. Ananya has texted something. What is that, Ananya?
Sir, I think Toshnika was trying to say something, but her voice is very low.
Okay, look at this. Please unmute yourself. Please unmute your everyone. With the 0.5, 7 lies. The graph. Ananya, I'm getting noise from your side.
Sir, Kavya. It's Kavya.
Sir, it's not me, sir. I'm on mute.
The equation 5, 7 lies on the graph of the equation 5y is equal to 8x minus 10. Then value of a is equal to what? These are the Olympiad questions only. This kind of questions you will be getting. You can expect. It is all SOF questions. Olympiad SOF.
Sir, so we have to put 5 in Y or 7 in Y?
You don't ask me. You solve. If you don't get, then you ask. Without trying, don't ask me, please.
Okay.
No one should ask me without trying out. I'm gonna give a try time over here. Everyone should solve. Answer 9 is correct.
Sir, answer 9 is correct. Yes.
5y is equal to 8x minus 10. So here, this is my x value, this is my y value. What I have to do? You have to substitute. Look at this. So 35 is
Minus
equal to
35 is equal to 5a minus 10.
5a is equal to 45.
45.
Equal to 9. A value is 9 answer. This is how you can solve. Clear? All right. Next question. Is that clear with everyone, guys? These are SOF questions. The solutions of the equations. Solutions of the equations 2x minus 3y is equal to 7 and 4x minus 6y is equal to 20. Make it fast. I need a quick answer. Quick answer. Come on.
Sir, how many equations we need, sir, for question, second question?
How many equations are? Yes.
How many?
Tell me, what is that?
Is the first equation correct?
Second, right?
So what's written after the?
Yes, tell me which question you want me to draw. The solution of the equation. Solution of the equations. This and this is what?
So you're sharing your screen?
Yes, I'm sharing. Why?
No, sir, like it got blank. Before it was like I was able to see it, but not now.
Don't worry. One second, one second. Yes, now?
No, sir. So fine if I rejoin the
I'm sharing the screen.
I'm unable. I just rejoined.
Okay. Solutions of the equations. Guys, am I recording?
Yes, sir, you are.
Look at this. Solutions. So what is the solution here? Look at this. First, let me multiply with the 2 on both sides. If I multiply, what
Sir,
will
the
happen?
voice is cracking.
If I multiply with the 2 on both sides, what will happen? Look at this. So 4x minus 6y is equal to 14. Let us say this is equation number 1. This is my equation number 2. Solving equation number 1 and 2 here. What I must get here? Here minus, plus, minus. Plus 4x minus 4x will be getting cancelled. And yes, I think it should be plus here. Then only the question is going to be correct, or else we won't get anything. So if it is plus here, this is a plus, guys. If it is plus here, we'll be getting minus here. So minus 12y is equal to minus kitna? Minus 8. So minus 6. Minus 6. So y is equal to 2. If
So
y,
how is this possible that in one case the 4x minus 6y value is 14, other case it is 20? Okay, it is plus. Okay.
plus, I just changed it, right? Plus, it is not minus.
Yes, sir.
Minus. So y is equal to 2. So from the first equation, if I take from the first equation or from the second equation, so 4 into x plus 6 into 2 is equal to 20. So 4x is equal to 20 minus 12. 4x is equal to 8. X is equal to 2. How simple it is. So there was mistake in the question. So that should be minus here. It should be minus here, not plus. It should be plus, not minus.
Sir, I did not understand this question, sir.
What you did not? Solutions. I'm asking you to find solution, man. Solution.
Okay.
Finding
The
x and
solution
y value.
is
Solution of
means why you took this 2 into 2x minus 3, sir?
look at this here. Why? Because we have 4x no here. I have 2x here. If I just multiply with the 2x on both sides, so it will become in this equation. Look at this.
Yeah, sir. Yes. No, I got.
I have 4x minus plus 6y, right? I have 3x minus 3y, right? Here I just making the equation as like this. So I'm just making my x coefficients are same. I have x coefficient as 2 here. I have x coefficient of 4 here. So if I multiply the first equation with the 2, so my x coefficients will become same in both equations. So that is the reason I'm multiplying with the 2 and then I'm subtracting from each other. So I got like that. Next question. Find the equations of a straight line.
Sir, what is ST line?
Who's that? Tell me. Hello?
Sir, but if we substitute x and y value, we are not getting equal to 7 for the first equation. So then,
1 second. 2.
yes. So,
Oh, then question itself wrong. Then question में कुछ changes होगा करना पड़ेगा. देखो इधर substitute करो 8. हाँ, you get here, no?
so Ananya is saying that x is equal to 30, sir.
Plus 12. This equation is getting satisfied.
Yes, sir.
This equation is getting satisfied, but not this one. So yeah, somewhere change. But you understood the procedure, right? You understood the procedure, right? How we have solved.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
we have to.
This is how
Sir.
you have to find out x and y values. But you know the question. Question it's somewhere there might be wrong in the question. Then 1 second, let me. So 7 means.
Sir, we have to take 2 only. We cannot take another number.
You can take. Look at this beta here. If I multiply with the 2 only, then only I'll get 4. No. If I take 2, then only I get 4 here. If you take, you can take, look at this 6y, or else you do like this. Guys, how many of you do not know solving equations? Many of you do not know how to solve equations, isn't it? Look at this here. For suppose this is the one way of procedure, one way of solving. So after multiplying the 2, what I got here? 4x minus 6y is equal to 14. 4x plus 6y is equal to 20 I got. Okay. So what I'm doing here? I'm adding both equations. If I add here, I'm adding here, I'm subtracting here. So if I add, so plus 6y minus 6y will be getting cancelled. 8x is equal to 34. X is equal to how much I got? So 17 by 4 I'll get. If I add, so this is how I can get. So from the first equation, this is the second equation. From the first equation, if I substitute the x value, 4 into 17 by 4 minus 6 into y is equal to 14. So 4 will be getting cancelled. So 17 minus 16y is equal to 14. All right. So what do you get here? 6y is equal to 3. Y is equal to what? 1 by 2. 3 ones are 3 twos are. So y is equal to 1 by 2, isn't it? So now substitute x and y values in a given equation, whether it's satisfying or not. It should satisfy. Then only our question is correct. Our answer is correct. Answer is 110% correct. The way we solved, that is correct only. But whether the given question is correct or not. Solve. Substitute here. The given question, substitute 2x minus 3y is equal to 7. Whether it's satisfying or not. So 2 into 17 by 4 minus.
Sir, it's not satisfying.
So no, 8 is equal to 7 you are getting, no? Which is not equal. So then question is wrong. 110% question is wrong. But this is how you can solve, guys. This is the procedure of solving. Question wrong here. Question wrong. I think somewhere we need to make changes. Leave it. No problem. We'll solve similar type of questions further. You understood, right, how to solve this question? Guys, you understood
Yes,
the
sir.
question?
Yes, sir.
This is how the procedure, you must make it out. Clear? Chalo. Next, find the, that is a wrong question, guys. That is a way of solving. I just told you the procedure. If question right.
So we are getting, sure, for the first equation we are getting. If we substitute the y value as 17 by 14, we'll be cancelling 2 and 4 and 2. So that the remaining equation is 17 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, which is nothing but 14 by 2. If we cancel that, we are getting 7, sir.
Getting means fine. Getting means correct.
7.
Look at this here. So 2
Yes,
into
sir.
17 by 4 minus 3 into 1 by 2 is equal to 7. So 17 by 2 here minus 3 by 2 is equal to, you get 7 is equal to 7 here. Satisfying.
Yes, sir.
Next condition is what? 4x plus 4x plus 6y is equal, what he has given us, 20. Let's check it out.
Sir, 20.
Forward. 20, then correct only, no? Question is correct now. Look at this here. If you are not getting right answer, the question will be wrong. Or else your answer might be wrong. So way we solved that was wrong actually. The procedure we calculated, that was wrong. I mean, simplification, we made a mistake here. So definitely 7 is equal to 7 I am getting. So answer is what? X value is this one, Y value is this one. And here we might have made any mistake. Look at this in simplification. Look at this here. Here Y value is 1 by 2, Babu. Look at 6 ones. Look at here, 6 ones, the 6 2s. The Y is equal to 1 by 2. Correct only. Question is correct. We made a mistake and we are. Look at this. Question is correct only. 110% question is correct. 4x plus 6 into y is equal to 20. So 4x is equal to 20 minus 3. So x is equal to 17 by 4. Look at it. X is equal to 7 by 4. Same we got here. Even you multiply and simplify, both you are getting. Even you add or subtract, both you are getting same thing. Even you add or subtract, you are getting same thing. Look at it here. Yes or no? X value here. See, when you subtract here, guys, when I'm subtracting, I got x value 17 by 4, y value this one. When I add these two also, I got the same thing. So question is 110% correct. Our procedure, our calculation mistake was there. Yes or no? Clear?
Yes, sir, clear.
Yes. Next, look at the find the equation of the straight line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 30 units on the right hand side of the y-axis.
So it will be 30 axis.
Sorry?
It will be 30, sir.
Find the equation of a straight line to y-axis. Solve this.
X equal to 30.
Yes, sir, it is 30 units on the right side.
Look at
So
it.
X will be-
Find the equation of a straight line parallel to y-axis at a distance of 30 units on the right hand side. Right hand side of y-axis. So means 30. This distance is 30 units, isn't it? Yes or no? X is equal to 30. X is equal to 30 is the right answer. Yes or no? X is equal to 30 is the right answer. Next question.
Yes.
Next question. Olympiad questions only we are solving actually. Which are the following? Look at this here. 5x is equal to 5. Very simple question, guys. This one laddu question. Let me write the options. 4x is equal to 2 and if you are good at basics, guys, you can crack the questions like anything. You need to have good basics. That's all. If you need to have good basics, you can just clear the question paper and just
What should be in this question, sir?
So the thing is, let me say, which of the following pairs of the equations have same solution?
So the second one.
Same solution. Look at this here. It gives you 3. So it
Yes,
gives
sir.
you 1 by 2. Yes, B.
So x is equal to 1 by 2, x is equal to 1
Second
by 2.
one, sir.
1 by 2. 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2. B is the right answer. Clear? Which of the following gives you second solution? This is the very simple question. Let's do question. अरे यार कितना simple सा question है. चलो next question.
Sir, that is Olympiad also, sir. We should not forget.
Look at it here. If modulus of x minus 3 is equal to, then x value is what? Then what are the x values?
5.
Think.
Think what, sir? 5, sir. 5, sir.
Huh?
5.
1 or 5.
Wrong
1 or
answer.
5.
Wrong answer.
Sir,
Either 1
Bhargav?
or 5.
Rayan, wrong answer. Rayan, I said, please check it out.
Sir, it's either 1 or 5.
Very good, Bhargav. Right answer. How?
Sir, one is
See,
there,
like,
so
in,
how
like
five?
you know,
One.
sir, there are possibilities, sir. X minus,
Possibility. This is a modulus. What is this? This is a modulus
yes, sir. If there's a modulus, then x
Modulus.
minus 3
function.
can be negative or positive. So if we take the first
Here.
case, x minus
One
3 is
second.
negative.
1 second. X is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, I'm saying that modulus x is equal to, look at this here, whenever you remember here, everyone, please, if modulus x is equal to 2, what are the x values? Plus or minus 2. Why? Because modulus of plus 2 is equal to 2 only. Modulus of minus 2 is also 2 only. Why? Because even you substitute, even you write, plus 2 value in a modulus, it gives you 2 only. Even you write minus 2 also, it gives you 2 only. So always modulus function gives you what? Plus or minus 2. Look at this now. So what do you give here? X minus 3 is equal to plus or minus 2. So you take two cases. X minus 3 is equal to one case. X minus 3 is equal to minus 2 one case. So x is equal to 3 plus 2, which means x is equal to 5. Here x is equal to 3 minus 2, which means x is equal to 1. Answer is what? 1 comma 5. So 1 comma 5.
So what is modulus function, sir?
Modulus means when whatever the function, whatever the function.
Like
you,
modulus is used to
Wait,
find absolute.
Bhargav, do you want to explain or do you want me to explain?
So go ahead, sir.
When I'm talking, please don't interrupt. No one should interrupt. Many of you, I just told many times, many of you are interrupting the same way again. Look at this. Here, modulus function means, actually you will be, basically you'll be learning modulus function in your class, upper classes. Okay, so now let me tell you, modulus function means, basically modulus function gives you whatever you substitute. Whatever you substitute, it makes plus also, minus also plus also plus only. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Look
Yes,
at it.
sir.
Let me tell you, if you want a definition,
Yes, sir.
modulus function denoted by, look at this, modulus of x denoted by like this. Okay. So modulus x is equal to x if x is positive, and modulus x is equal to minus x if x is negative. All right, this is the definition basically. If for understanding, I do not want to teach depth way because it is not your concept, but still you should know somewhat in Olympiad is somewhat advanced level, right? That's what the reason I'm teaching you somewhat in advanced level. All right, modulus function is nothing but modulus, if modulus x is equal to x when x is positive, modulus x is minus x when x is negative. Clear? Even it is minus, it makes you plus. Look at, let me write example. Let me give example. So if modulus x is equal, for suppose you have 3. So what are the x values now? Plus 3 or x
Minus.
is equal to minus 3. Clear? Both answers will
Yes,
come. Clear? Understand?
Yes, sir.
Now look at this here.
Yes.
Let's write one example. If you have something like this, modulus of 2 is what? 2 only. Modulus of minus 2 is what? Plus 2 only. If I just remove that modulus, it gives me. If I remove this modulus, it gives me. Modulus function always make negative values as positive. Clear? And positive values, it makes positive only. It doesn't mean that, sir, negative value it is making positive. Positive value it makes negative. If you write like that, what will you get? You will get this one. Okay? All right. Don't write that. Clear?
Yes.
Negative
Yes,
it makes
sir.
positive. Positive also it will be positive only. Clear? Okay, this is a modulus function. So modulus function definition, if you want to take, you can simply write this.
Yes, sir, it was there in a textbook. It was called absolute value.
Yes, absolute value of modulus. Absolute value of modulus. Clear?
Done, sir.
Done.
Yes, sir. Done.
So if you solve by this method, look at this here. What is there? Here we have modulus x. I just told you modulus x. In place of x, I have this one. So if I just remove the modulus, what I get here, x minus 3 is equal plus or minus 2 I'll get. Is that clear? If I remove modulus, we'll get, let us solve one more question so that you know, you can understand it. Let me give one more question. So 9 minus x is equal to some minus 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to minus 6 plus 6. Then what is x value? Come on, make it fast, make it fast. Taka, tell me.
X is equal to 15 or 6. I mean,
So shouldn't we
15 or
reply
3.
privately, sir?
Oh, sorry.
Make it fast.
So 15 or 3, sir.
15.
Or 3.
Sir, it's minus 3 or minus 15, right?
That's 3.
Oh, yes, yes.
Sir, it is.
Sir, I have a doubt here. Like in the above example, minus 3 is there, right? So shouldn't it become plus 3?
Sorry.
Sir, in the above question, it was x minus 3 in the modulus, right? So shouldn't it become x plus 3?
No. It's not like that. Function will be as it is. The above, look at this here. Function will, what we had here, modulus x is equal to 2 means here we were changing the sign, but not, it's plus x row. So if you come outside, it's not minus x. It is not the case here. Not like that. If you remove the modulus, this modulus, after removing the modulus, this whatever you have right hand side, it will become plus or minus 2. Clear? But inside the modulus, it will be same only. It never changes. Look at this here. You have what do you call that? 9 minus x. So after removing that, you will get 9 plus x. Don't say that. Wrong answer. See here, it will be 9 minus x is equal plus or minus 6. If you remove modulus, it gives you plus or minus 6. Okay. So now look at this here. 9 minus 6 is equal plus 6 one case. 9 minus 6 is equal minus 6 one case. So 9 is equal to what? X is equal to what here? 9 minus 6, 3.
3, sir.
So x is equal to what here?
15.
15.
So these are the two cases. Here, I hope it is clear with everyone. Very good. Everyone is doing wonderful. I need a response from everyone. Let's see how many of you are giving the answers.
So, sir, like if the option is both are there, then we should, and there's no both of the above option, then what should we select?
Sorry, both of the options?
Sir, like if there's an option for x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 5, but there's no both options.
Look at this here. You won't be getting individual options. You will be getting the options like, I didn't give options for this question, right? You will be getting options like, look at this, option A, you will be getting like this, x is equal to 3 and x is equal to 15. Together they will give. If they are giving individually, then this option will not be there. Clear?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Now I understand.
So x is equal to minus 3 and x is equal to minus 15 and x is equal to minus 3 plus 3 and x is equal to minus 15 and option D is equal to none. Look at which option is satisfying now. This option is satisfying.
B.
So A option is satisfying, not B.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So simply look at this here. Simply, if he is not giving these values, if he give only these values, only the here A and C are satisfying, then A and C are satisfying, then A option will be something different, something like 5. Clear? All right. Your options will be 99%. This should be options will be like this. Whenever the modulus function is given to you, 99% the options will be like this. I hope it is clear. All right. Shall we move forward now? Guys, are you getting some interesting questions over here? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Chalo. Next question. The solution. Same type of question. The solution of 2x is equal to minus 6y plus 18. And solve this question. Make quick dash. Tell me the answer quickly. I'm writing somewhat fast, guys. Make it fast. Questions only, no? Please, if anyone are waiting in the if anyone are waiting in the waiting room, just let me know.
Sir, I think sir, I can say the answer.
So can we reply privately, please? Because we all want to answer, right?
Yes. Please.
Sir, I replied my answer.
Okay, 1 second. Let me write the options here.
Sir, I'm not replying what you are writing, sir, before question.
That is what Shreyan. Please wait a minute. I understood your concern. Chalo, let me check the options. Let us see the options. You check, you verify the options. You verify the options. Look at this. Let me solve and you verify the options.
So can you please check my answer?
1 second. I'm not going to check, many of you are, posting the answers. So like I find, look at this, look at this, let me solve the question. You check yourself. If you are getting wrong, you just tell me. Genuinely, you have to tell me so that I can understand how many of you are, genuinely telling me the answer. Clear?
Sir, I think mine is correct.
Look at this here. So 2x plus 6y minus 18 is equal to 0 here. Okay. So the equation number 1, let me write the equation number 1. Equation number 2 is what? 5x minus 10y minus 20 is equal to 0. Can I write like this? Or else you can make simply as it is like this. Is equal to 18 is equal to 20. This is equation number 1. This is equation number 2.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yes, look at this, guys. So the first equation, what can I multiply? The first equation, can I multiply with the 5? Can I multiply with the 5 on both sides? If I multiply with the 5, what will happen? Look at this here. Oh, sorry, not 5.
Plus 3. The 3.
3.
6.
The 3 will become a 6x.
Look at this here.
And,
Look at this here. See here. Can I, the first equation I'm multiplying with the 5. Second equation I'm multiplying with the 2.
Sir, or you can just divide both the equations, the first equation by 2 and the second equation by 5.
Yes, that is also absolutely right. Look at this here. I'm just as per what is her name? Ananya. Ananya said that divide by 2. Here divide by 5. If you divide by 2, what do you get here?
So x plus 3y is equal to
3y
9.
is equal to 9. So x minus
2y is equal to 4.
2y is equal to 4. Now look at this here. Now add this. Subtract these two equations. 5y is equal to y is equal to 1 here. Clear? So y is
Yes.
equal to 1 means from the first equation. So 2x plus 6 into y is equal to 18. So 2x is equal to 18 minus 6. 2x is equal to 12. X is equal to 6. Clear, guys? Are you able to follow the pace? Am
Yes, sir.
I going Fast.
Option B, sir.
I need it from everyone. Am I going fast?
No, sir.
No,
Sir,
sir.
option B,
I
right?
need a
Yeah.
response from everyone, not only 1 or 2 children. Option B is correct. Am I going fast?
No,
No,
sir.
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Next question.
No, sir.
Next question. Solve this question. Understood, guys? Everyone understood? Devasri, you are not responding, Devasri. Let me say, Krishna Chaitanya is not
Yes,
responding.
I
Modita is not responding. Nitya is not responding. Partha Ahuja is not responding. Pranav, I'm not sure.
Understood, sir.
Taruni, not responding. Akshit, not responding. Jivika not respond. Jivika, you must talk better. Jivika, you must and should you must respond in the class.
Sir,
Akshit,
once can you show options, sir?
these are the options.
Sir, I did directly means I took one option, sir. 6. This B option. I directly did, sir. I substituted the value.
If you do, sir, it takes more time, sir. You know how
Not
you
like
For the next question, sir.
sir. I directly converted the
Sir, can you
value,
scroll
sir.
down to
Yes,
the
make
next
it
question?
Make it fast. Next. No, don't waste time, please. Make it fast. What is the answer?
Sir, C.
Let's see.
C is correct.
C.
Let's see.
Let us say y minus 15 is equal to plus or minus 10. So y minus 15 is equal to 10 one case. Y minus 15 is equal to minus 10 one case. Okay. So y is equal to 25 and y is equal to plus y. Clear? How simple it is. I need a response from everyone. Jivika,
Yes,
Taruni,
clear.
Akshi, Krishna Chaitanya, Devasri, are you guys understanding or not? Tell me.
Yes, sir. Understanding.
Sir, understanding, sir.
People who are not responding,
Yes.
I'm going to remove them out of. I'm going to remove them
Yes,
from the
sir.
meeting. Those who are not responding, I know everyone's voice. I can remember. I can identify each and everyone's voice here. Yes. Now next question. Understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes.
Next question. Rakesh. Not Rakesh. Suresh has X dollars more than Mohan has. Mohan has. And together they have a total of, guys, very good question, dollars. Which of the following? I'm writing somewhat fast. Are you people able to understand? Which of the following represent?
Yes,
Next
sir.
time onwards, I'll be ready with the questions. So this time I know this time I didn't have time. Actually, that's why. Number of dollars. Mohan has. Next, option A, 2y minus x. Option B, y by 2 minus x. Option C, y minus x by 2. Option D, y minus x. Such a beautiful question. Come on. Suresh has X dollars more than Mohan has. And together they have a total number of Y dollars. Y dollars. This is, I'm just combinedly writing here, Y dollars. Y dollars. Which of the following represented? Make it fast.
Sir, can I reply my answer private?
Sir, I've replied.
Look at this here. Look at this here. Suresh has X dollars more than Mohan has. Okay. So let us say Mohan's dollars, let us say Y. Suresh
Sir,
is
but
what?
in the
X
question
plus
that-
Y, isn't it?
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
why is the total number of
No, no,
dollars you
One
have?
second, one second, one
We
second.
have to take another variable.
Sir, you can take W.
Wait. Suresh has X dollars more than Mohan has. Okay. So I do not know Mohan's, and together they have total Y number of dollars. Together, what is it? Together
Because in the question.
plus Mohan is equal to Y. Okay. So Suresh has what?
Sir, Mohan, you can take it as Z, sir.
Huh?
Yes, sir, you can take any variable.
Whatever.
Other
You
than
can
Y
take it
and
as
X.
Z, sir.
No
X
problem.
plus
No
Y
problem.
is X plus Y is equal to
Anything
X
is
plus
fine.
Z.
हाँ.
X plus Z is equal to Y, sir. X plus Z is equal to Y.
कुछ भी ले लो कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. ठीक है. Anything is fine. We have to find out Mohan here, isn't it? So and what about this guy? What about this? Suresh has X
Y
dollars
minus
more than
Hmm.
Mohan. Means what is this?
The Mohan plus X.
Mohan plus X. Okay. So what is Mohan now? What is Mohan here from this? Y minus Suresh. Yes or no? So shall I substitute now? Suresh is
Yes,
equal
sir.
Y minus Suresh plus X. Now let me say Suresh is some G. Okay. As per your concern, let us say G. So instead of writing every time Suresh, let's write G. So G is equal Mohan is what? Mohan what? What could I take Mohan the?
Some M.
Let us say M plus X. Okay. So here M is equal to Y minus G I took. This is what I got here. M value I know that. Can I substitute M value here now? I'm substituting Y minus G plus X. So G plus G, 2G is equal to X plus Y. Are I समझ? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So what is this equation? What is asking for? Which of the following represent the number of dollars the Mohan has? Mohan is what? We have to find out M. Right? Look at this here.
So we already found it out, right? Y minus G.
You have to find M. So Y minus G. So G value is what now here? Or else you can substitute straight away here. We have
Sir,
to
I
find out
think you
M.
should put a bracket.
Where?
Yes, sir.
Sir, G plus X in G is equal to Y minus G plus X. I think G plus X should have a bracket, sir.
Which one? I didn't get you.
Sir, right after G is equal to M plus X, there is G is equal to Y minus G plus X, right?
Yeah.
So there G plus X should have a bracket, right?
No, I look at this here. I took Suresh as G, Y as Y only. So M I'm substituting here Y minus G plus X. Where you are saying G here only, no? Yes or no?
Sir, can I annotate?
Where?
Sir, I'll show you, sir. Can I annotate once?
Yes.
Okay. Sir, can you give the option?
So Y dollars. So Y. So let me write here. I took G, right? So G plus M is equal to Y. Okay, we have to find out M here. Look at this here. We have to find out M. M is equal to Y minus G. Clear? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Then, sir, we have to replace the G value again, like
that's it.
M plus X.
Yes. So what is that here? Suresh, I took G, right? G is equal to X plus what Mohan has? Y plus M. Isn't it? This is what he has given, isn't it? Suresh has X dollars more than Mohan has. Yes or no? G is
Yes,
equal to
sir.
X plus M. Yes or no? Now look at this.
M and M will get
Which are the
cancelled.
following dollars? Which are the following represent as number of dollars Mohan has? Mohan. How can I find out Mohan's?
So Y minus whole of X plus M and then we can find it out.
So we can take that m is equal to y minus m plus x.
Look at this here. Instead of doing all this, but let me just see, we are not representing it properly first. Let us take like this. Let us take like this. You take Mohan is equal to m, you take. Okay. And x plus m you have. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So total what? So m,
The y.
look at it.
M
Total is
plus
what? Y.
m.
Y is equal to this 2m plus x.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Plus
M
x.
plus
आया
x.
समझ? तो 2m
Okay,
is
sir.
equal to, अरे भाई देखो कितना simple है. Let us make so simply. We are writing, we are writing names every time, so that is the reason we were confusion. Simply you write how simple it is. Look at this. Option C is correct. कितना बड़ा क्वेश्चन भी नहीं है. आया समझ? Any doubts?
Yes, sir. No doubts.
No bracket, nothing here. Straight away you take m here. Suresh has more than x more than Mohan, and total number of dollars given. Substitute, you will get. Very simple. Next question.
I was wrong.
I know that you are wrong. I saw your option. Question is a straight line parallel to y-axis. Look at this, a straight ST line is straight line parallel. The two lines meaning is parallel to the y-axis as equation is equal dash. Option A is equal to x is equal to b. ठीक है, make it fast. A straight line parallel to the y-axis has equation. Parallel to the
what is B?
x-axis, y-axis. Look at this here. B कुछ पे distance ले लो. B units making an x-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Parallel to y-axis. Could be here, it could be here.
Sir, what chapter is this question from?
Quadratic geometry.
Huh?
Linear equations.
Linear equation.
What chapter you think so? What chapter you think so, Sujay? What chapter you think so?
So linear equations.
I don't know what chapter you think so. You think quadratic geometry or coordinate geometry? From
Coordinates,
from yesterday onwards you are saying quadratic geometry. Did you find any quadratic geometry as a new chapter in mathematics?
No, sir.
Not quadratic geometry, coordinate geometry. Okay.
Yes.
A straight line parallel to y-axis. It could be a left hand side, it could be a right hand side. Okay. Tell me, quick. Parallel to y-axis, what is the equation? We have to find out the equation of this one. What is the equation of this?
Sir, who should ask this question?
I already posted.
Already posted. Many of you posted A option. Parallel to y-axis, what is the equation?
1 minute. 1 minute.
X is equal to B. Let us say this is a distance. Sujay, the B is making a distance. I mean, like number of units making that particular axis. So it's making B units. Okay. So B.
Okay, sir.
Parallel to y-axis making. So y-axis will be like parallel to y-axis means what is that? X value will be what? This is my line here. This is the line. What is the equation of this? This is making B distance. Let us say this is the equation. X is equal to some B units. X is equal to Y is not at all possible. Y is equal to B is not at all possible. X is equal to minus Y is not at all possible. Only possible option is A option. Okay, next question.
So x equal to y here meaning it's not the length, right?
X is equal to Y. Sorry.
So it wants the length, right? It means the length of the y-axis, right?
Yes. Next question. The number of ways of writing.
Okay. No, sir, I got it.
The number of ways. Yes, yes. Tell me. Number of ways of writing. Number of ways of writing the number in the form A comma B. Number of ways of writing the number in the form. Let me write here A comma B, some integers. 1 second. A comma B are integers. Option A is 1. Option B is infinitely many. Option C is 0. Finitely many. Finitely make it fast, quick.
So in which form, sir? In the form.
1 second, guys. I think question is half of the question is not showing.
Sir, answer to the question.
So in which form, sir? In the form dash.
That is what missing over here. 1 second.
In the form of A and B, where A and B are integers.
Where A and B are integers.
Yes, sir. So it will be in the form of in the form where A and B are integers, right? Like the whole question.
In the form. 1 second. Whole question is missing over here. In the form A by 3 minus B by 5. In the form this one. A by 3 minus B by 5. Tell me.
Sir, is my answer correct, sir? I posted my answer.
Option, what do you post? Option B is wrong answer. The number of ways of writing a number. Look, writing a number is also missing here. Number is 1 by 5, 1 by 15.
Sir, option B and option D are same.
Option B infinitely, option D is finitely.
Look at it. Read the question carefully. The number of ways of writing the question, the number 1 by 15 in the form of A by 3 minus B by 5.
Yes, sir. I couldn't understand the writing, so I was confused.
Sir, I have posted my answer.
Right answer. Harini, right answer.
From me?
Yes, sir, I got now.
No, none of them posted right answer, but Harini posted right answer. Look at here. The number of ways of writing the number 1 by 15 in the form of A by 3 minus B by 5. How can you solve this? Arey bhai, look at this here. A by 3 minus B by 5. How can I just write this? What is LCM? 15 is LCM.
15 LCM.
So 5 A minus 3B. Which number I'm writing? 1 by 15 I'm writing. Okay? All right.
So where is it given?
Look at this here. The number 1 by 15 in the form of this one. The number of ways of writing the number.
Yes, sir.
This number can be written in the form of how many ways? So what can you write here? This will be getting cancelled. 5a minus 3b is equal to 1. Okay. A, and also given that a and b are integers here. Okay, a and b are integers. So what is a value and b value possible here? If a is equal to what and b is equal to what are the possible answers? Trial and error method.
So A is 2 and B is 3.
A 2, so 10 minus 9. One possibility.
So I guess there will be infinite or finitely many.
Possible integer solution is asking. 1 second. Possible integer again. Look at this. 5 into 2, 10, 3 3s. So 10 minus 9. One possibility. A value is what? So A value is 2. B value is 3. One possibility. Second possibility is what?
Sir, I think it's infinitely many, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
A value
Yes, sir, it's infinite.
-1. B value can be -2. This is one possibility. Yeah, there are many possibilities, not only infinitely many solutions. So option B is correct, not 1. Not 1. Not 1. So children, so we couldn't write a quiz today. So no problem. I think we have done with the class. So tomorrow we'll come up with the same questions again. Same, chapter questions. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Clear? No problem. And you can leave now. And let's retire. We'll meet in the next session. Goodbye. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, so the
Sir,
final
goodbye.
answer is infinitely many. no,
Thank you,
sir?
sir. Bye, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I
Yes, sir,
replied
thank
that only, no, sir.
Yes, you replied that only.
Yes.
Very good. All right.
Yes.
Thank you, children. Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.